Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn sounds of the letters. Yes. The first letter A. A sounds A. A. Apple. A ant. The next letter B. Sound of B. B. Ball. B. Bat. It's interesting. Next letter C. What's the sound? G. C. Cat. C. Cup. There are many more examples. Let's come to the next letter, and that's D. Sound of D is D. Dog. D. Drum. Here is the next letter E. Sound of E is egg. Elephant. Let's come to the next letter, and it is F. F sounds F. F for frog. F for fish. Coming to the next letter G. G sounds G. Goat. G. Guitar. And here is the next letter H. H sounds H. Helicopter. H. Hat. Coming to the next letter, and that's I. I sounds E. I sounds E. E. And the next letter is J. J sounds J. Jug. J. Jelly. It is being interesting learning sounds of different letters. K. Sound of K. Kite. K. Kangaroo. Let's come to the next letter, and that's L. L sounds L. Lion. Lion. Coming to the next letter M. M sounds M. Maw. Mango. It is really interesting. And next letter N. What will be the sound of N? Let's see. Nose. N. Nose. Here is the next letter O. Sounds O. Orange. Octopus. And the next letter P. P sounds P. Let's see it is correct. Yes, P sounds P. Parrot. P. Pulp. Next letter Q. Sound Qu. Q. Qu. Queen. Q. Qu. Quilt. And we are coming on to the next letter R. R sounds R. 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 Rabbit. R. R. Rose. And here is the next letter S. S sounds S. 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 Sun. S. S. Sunflower. And the next letter will be T. Sound of the T is T. 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 Tomato. T. T. Tub. Let's come to the next letter U. U sounds A. U. A. Umbrella. U. A. Umbrella. And here is the next letter V. V sounds W. V. W. Van. V. W. Wallet. Coming to the next letter W. W sounds W. 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 Watch. W. W. Watch. The second last letter of the alphabet X. It is the third last. Yes, it is third last letter X. Sound of X is X. 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 X-ray. X. X. X-ray. Now here comes the second last letter of the alphabet Y. Y sounds Y. 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 Yak. Y. Y. Yellow. And here comes the last letter of the alphabet Z. Z sounds Z. 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 Zero. Z. Z. Zero. An alphabet consists of 26 letters. 26 letters make an alphabet. Let's revise. A sounds A. B sounds B. C sounds K. D sounds D. E sounds E. F sounds F. G sounds G. H sounds H. I sounds I. J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. Now more letters. M sounds M. N sounds N. O sounds O. P sounds P. Q sounds Q. R sounds R. S sounds S. T sounds T. U sounds A. V sounds V. W sounds W. X sounds X. Y sounds Y. Z sounds Z. Watch this video again and again to get the proper understanding of the sounds. If you liked the video and understood, please like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.